Welcome to my class IIT Foundation in Maths for 6th class. 5th chapter Ratios and Proportion. And this is the assessment test. There are 15 questions in this question paper. Today we will do 5 questions in this video. The first question is find the ratio of the following. So number 1, 36 grams and 54 grams. We have to find the ratio of these two. Both are in the same units. So grams is to 36 grams is to 54 grams. Both are in grams. Therefore, this is 36 is to 54. But this is not in its simplest form. Therefore, we have to convert it into its simplest form. To convert a ratio into its simplest form, we have to divide both the terms by their HCF, highest common factor. So 54 and 36. We will use long division method to find the HCF of two numbers. So 54, higher number is divided by smaller number, 36 ones 36, therefore 14 minus 6, 8, 1. And 18 is taken as the divisor and 36 dividend. Dividing with 18 twos 36, therefore remainder 0. This last divisor is the HCF of the two numbers. So we will divide these two numbers by 18. So 36 by 18 is to 54 by 18. So 18 2s 36, therefore 2 is to 18 3s 54. Therefore, a ratio of 36 grams and 54 grams is 2 is to 3. Next, going to the other one. First term is 24 liters and the second term is 24 liters 800 milliliters. So both are the measure of capacity of a liquid. But it is in liters. It is liters and milliliters. So we have to convert both of them either into liters or into milliliters. So we will convert them into milliliters. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Therefore 24 liter is equal to 24 into 1000 milliliters or 24,000 milliliters. And the next second one is 20 liters, which is equal to 20 into 1000 ml milliliters, that is equal to 20,000 milliliters. And 800 ml, therefore 20 liters 800 milliliters is equal to 20,000 milliliters plus 800 milliliters, that is equal to 20,000 plus 800, 20,800 milliliters. Now we can get the ratio of 24 liters and 20 liters 800 milliliters means 24,000 ml is to 20,800 ml. Next, second problem. The angles of a triangle are 40 degrees, 60 degrees and 80 degrees. Find the ratio of the angles in the same order. The angles of a triangle are 40, 60 and 80. Therefore, we have to find the ratio in the same order. That means ratio of the angles 40 is to 60 is to 80. All are in degrees only. Therefore, the ratio is 40 is to 60 is to 80. So if we divide it 3 of them by 10, we get 4 is to 6 is to 8. Again, the 3 numbers are divisible by 2. Therefore, 2 2s 4, 2 3 6, 2 4s. Therefore, the ratio of the angles is 2 is to 3 is to 4. Here we take 2 steps. And as we know that it is divisible by 10 and these are divisible by 2, we were easily divided them by 10 and 2. But if we don't know so easily that these are divisible by 10 and 2, we can find the HCF of the three numbers by long division method. So first we will find the HCF of the greater numbers 80 and 60. So 80 is divided by 60, 61 is 60, 20 remains, and 60 is divided by 20, 23 is 60. Therefore this is the HCF of 60 and 80. Next 40 and 20 remains. Therefore 40 is divided by 20. 22 is 40. So 0. So the last divisor is the HCF. So if we divide 40, 60, 80 by 20, 40 by 20, 2, 60 by 20, 3, 80 by 20, 4. So the ratio of the three angles in its simplest form is 2:3:4. Third problem, divide rupees 3600 in the ratio 7:5. So in the ratio 7:5, there are 7 plus 5 parts. The total parts of the ratio is 12 total parts of the ratio is equal to 12. Therefore 7 parts is equal to 7 by 12 of the total quantity. Total quantity. That means 7 parts. That is the first part of the ratio. 7 by 12 into total amount 3600. Therefore 12 ones, 12 3s 36, 0 0. So this is 0 0, 3 sevens 21. So the first part of the ratio is rupees 2100. Next the second part is 5 parts. The second portion 5 parts out of 12 parts of the total amount 3600. Therefore 12 ones, 12 3s 36, 300. 5 3s 15. So 1500 rupees. Therefore second part is 1500 rupees. So if we divide the amount 3600 in the ratio 7:5, we get 2100 and 1500. Let us see the sum. 2100 and 1500 is 2100, 2000 and 1000, 3000, 100, 500, 600. So sum of these two is 3600 rupees. Therefore our distribution is correct according to 7:5. Next, fourth problem. The ratio of the ages of A and B is 3:8. If B's age is 24 years, find the age of A. Here the ratio is 3:8. So total parts of the ratio is equal to 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. The age of B is equal to, but B's age is given as 24 years, that is equal to 24 years. Therefore each part or one part is equal to 24 by 8 years, that is equal to 8 3 is 24. So 3 years, each part is equal to 3 years. Now the age of A, is equal to, in this ratio the age of A is equal to 3 parts. So each part is equal to 3 years. Therefore 3 parts is equal to 3 into 3 years, which is equal to 9 years. Therefore the age of A is equal to 9 years. Again we will get the ratio of the ages of A and B. A's age is 9, B's age is 24. So 9:24. Both the numbers are divisible by 3. Therefore 9 by 3, 24 by 3 is equal to 3 3 is 9, 3 8s 24, 3:8. So the ratio is same. Therefore the age of A is 9 years. Next, fifth problem. In a basket, the number of blue, red and green balls are in the ratio 4:7:9. If there are total of 960 balls, find the number of green balls. So, the total balls are divided into 4 plus 7 plus 9 parts. So, total parts in the ratio is equal to 4 plus 7 plus 9, that is equal to 4 plus 7, 11 plus 9, 20 parts. And the total balls is equal to 960. Therefore, 960 is equal to 20 parts. Therefore, each part or one part is equal to 960 by 20. 960 by 20. So 0 gets cancelled. 2 ones, 2 fours 8, 2 8 16. So each part is equal to 48 balls. But the last one, the green balls. Blue, red and green balls are in the ratio. So blue balls are 4 parts, red balls are 7 parts and green balls are 9 parts. Therefore, number of green balls is equal to 9 parts. And each part is 48. So 9 into 48 is equal to 9 8s 72, 9 4s 36, 36 plus 7 33, 432. So number of green balls is equal to 430.